You believe in yourself and raw. With this course, let's start our today topic. In this video, we are going to see how to download Python and pycharm and how to install it. In previous video, we saw the introduction video, introduction of Python. But in this video, we are going to learn how to download Python and pycharm. We will see it. Just you have to open your Chrome and you have to search Python download. And after clicking on Python download, you have to click on the first link, download Python. And after clicking on this, the latest version is 3.11.1. You have to click on it. When you click on it, then its downloading will start. I will show you. Okay. It's already downloaded. In your system, it may take time. I'm just going to cancel it because I already downloaded it. Then you have to go for download pycharm install. You have to type pycharm install in Chrome. Then you have to just click on download pycharm. And you have to choose community version. You have to click on download. There is two versions, professional and community. Community version is free. You have to click on community version. I'm sorry. You have to click on download. Then downloading will start. I'm just going to show you. I'm going to pause it because I already downloaded it. I will cancel it and I will cut it. So for Python, you have to click on this above link. Choose this, and because I was already, then I will install it. Then I will install. Okay. In my system, Python was already present. Is already present, and that's why I'm removing it. It may take time. Just you have to, don't worry. You, in this your system it will not. So I just forgot about to uninstall it. Sorry for that, guys. Okay, so just wait for a few seconds and let's see. In Python tutorial is for beginners, and we are going to see everything from beginners, and you can watch everything from zero level to intermediate level, from intermediate to high level. We will see everything. You don't have to be worried about anything. You just have to follow our content. Yeah, it's going to take some time, and so you don't have to be worried. This will not show in your system. Okay. Yeah. And there is nothing more I have to talk with you, but let's see what can I say. If you have any doubt, you can comment and I will just reply as soon as possible. I will answer your question and query. If you have any doubt, just you have just ask in the comment box. And if you have what you have to do, you just have to skip these portions. Or you have to increase the speed 2x. Yeah, 1.5 as per the need. Just wait for a few seconds. I will say sorry for it, guys. Till then, just down. Let's start downloading Python community, PyCharm, and you have to click on yes, and then next, and then next, and choose everything. Okay, don't be worried. Next, and install, and let's see. It will take time, few seconds. Okay, so you just don't have to be worried. In downloading, also it may take time. You don't have to worry about anything because it is not in your hand. Okay, it depends on system, internet connectivity, and there are various factors. Okay, just have to be watch and just have to be stay tuned, and you have to subscribe the channel and follow for more interesting videos, and you can give your feedback suggestions. Let's see. Okay, you can go and do your work if you wanted. If you wish, you can do. Actually, I can play the songs for you, but there will be a copyright claim, so that's why I'm just don't want to do for you guys. Yeah, let's see. Okay, it's done. Last, you have to click on Python, and then it will open like this, and you have to choose customize installation. You have to go back. You have to add python.exe to path. You have to choose this customize installation. Then you have to click next. Okay, you have to click. Just don't be worried about it. Just choose it. It doesn't affect anything. It will not harm you. Okay, it's going to take few seconds. We are doing both the things together. Yeah, it's also downloading. And let's see. What is going to happen? Yeah, it's also both are working continuously. Not continuously. Their system battery is also low. It's okay. Let me plug in. Yeah. Let's see. Mhm. Finish. You know, you don't have to worry. Okay. Pre-compiling standard library. It may take few seconds, more, a minute, maybe. Today we are going to see our first program. We will run our first program in Python, and we will see. We will print. Everyone prints hello. We will not print hello. We will print our names. I will print my name, hardcoder. You will print your name. Okay. We will do something different today. We will not do the same things. If Python is your first program, then you will be the first person who is going to print something different than other programmer. Because in the world, every programmer's first program is print hello world. It's going to take fraction of seconds more. Let's see what is going to happen. Hmm, yeah. Okay, we will close it and we will just going to close back and we will open PyCharm. Do not import settings. Then you have to click OK. And here we will create new project. And in new project we will write Python tutorial. And by default you have to click on create. Nothing more you have to worry. Okay. Here we made Python tutorials and let's finish the virtual. And you have to wait for a few seconds. Okay. You have to just remove it. Yeah, I'm going to create a new. You have to click on Python tutorial and you have to click right click new and you have to go on Python file and here you will have to type your Python file. We will write first program. Okay, I am going to write the first program and then I will press enter and it's our first. Here we will write our first program. As I told you, for printing, I will tell you everything about the Python program. Here is it is the second video in Python tutorials. Here we learn how to download, install, and how to run our first program. So for running first program, I will use the print functions. I will tell you about it later. You don't have to worry. I will write print, but you have to remember that for printing in Python, you have to use the print function. Okay, and then in double quotes, we will write our name. I will write headcoder. You will write your name and I'm going to zoom it and it's not working and for then I will go on file then I will go in setting then editors and then in general and change the font size on the control mouse wheel yeah all editors I will say and then I will click OK. Here I can show you my first program. Here you have to type your name. Okay, and then I will click on run button and I will just click here main function is running. Okay, you have to choose current file. Within our current file will run. Then output is headcoder. Okay, we can print many times headcoder as you can. I'm going to type 1 2 3. Okay, Control S, and then I will run the current file and here headcoder 1 2 3. So successfully we installed Python and PyCharm and we run our first program. We saw the setups. Okay, you have to click on the defaults. Just click if we are beginners, you are beginner, and you have to choose only default settings. You don't have to do some change right in that. Just keep it at default and just click on next and do let the system default settings. Okay, as we will learn and we will grow we will see other setting also. You don't have to worry about anything. If any doubt you can contact me through comment box and as you can contact So just I'm going to end the video, and the next video we are going to see. Uh, we will learn about all the basic concept, and we will see variables, different things, data types, and many things are there. And we will know about the print functions. Many things are there to know. We will learn it one by one. So don't be worried about anything. Till then, learn and enjoy and believe in yourself. Only you can change your life. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this video.